off. Coming out the box right now. You're clear.
That was nerve-wracking. Yeah, I don't know. Nate, do you want him to take off the...
You won't believe it. These things actually cranks up.
Oh, we can do it.
We can just leave it on like maybe them flaps go up.
I'm gonna leave it as is.
Yeah.
And look, you don't see any flex. At a certain speed or something. Yeah, it's arrow. Keep it flying up and down.
Well,